Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the universal glossy black front bumper spoiler with the side kit, rear lip, and I also come with two other shocks or struts. So yeah, first I was looking at this like $39.99 or some other selling even a higher price, and some of them without the shocks is selling cheaper. So I got this for $35 plus tax, free shipping from eBay, and the total is $38.06. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and see the products inside here, see how it looks. I don't want to cut it too deep. I cut the kit. Pretty flexible. So it says detach right hand side. And this is the left side. So this is the middle piece. And it says detach. So we probably need to screw it in the midsection right here. Come with the screws. This must be the instruction. So the middle piece, and you got the left and right hand side, and you can adjust the board. So the middle piece that's going to your lower bumper first, and then you install the left and right hand side. And they come with these clips for the mobile blocks. That's on the back there if you need to install it. And you put all those screws on the bottom of the bumper. Install complete. Oh, there are more screw and washers. Also, you use those short stubby screw for the midsection. Got the two other washer, must be for the blocks. And they have the nut. Put everything together for the screw so I don't lose them. Instruction. So what else is inside here? You also see the shocks. Yep. and just screw this on the front lip, and then this is to your bumper, and it's adjustable. And you got the 360-degree rotation, and then the counter nut at the end. Hopefully you can go inside the bumper and screw it on, or else this front lip is gonna fall off. Okay, because I have a good support. Let's see what else is in this box. Come with more screws. Wow. Must be the rear bumper kit. So I need to screw on here to the bumper. Not sure what's the lump for. And this is the side skirt. Cool. So yeah, you can put it on your car to make it more sporty, or like a Type R series or something. That's fixed up. Wow, all this for like $38. It's a pretty awesome deal. Hopefully not gonna fly away if you install it correctly. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And stay tuned for like a test fit or installation for either the Prius or the Honda Civic. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.